Hello my dear friends, welcome you to our concept classes. Today we are going to discuss trigonometric identities. So to discuss this topic, we have taken a right angle triangle which is right angle at B. That means it is 90 degree. And by the Pythagoras theorem, we can write the formula as AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Let us write AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, and we have taken angle C as theta. So for theta, AB is the perpendicular, BC is the base and AC is the hypotenuse. And now let us divide AC square in both these terms, that is AC square by AC square is equal to AB square by AC square plus BC square by AC square, and AC square by AC square is equal to 1. AB square by AC square, here AB is the perpendicular, P square by AC square is the hypotenuse, that is H square, plus BC is the base here, B square by AC is the hypotenuse here, H square, and this is the ratio of D square by H square is the ratio of sin square. Now we can write sin square plus theta plus B square by H square is the ratio of cos square theta. Now by arranging this, we can write sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, and this is the formula. Now let us divide AB square in both these terms, that is AC square by AB square is equal to AB square by AB square plus BC square by AB square. Here AC is the hypotenuse, H square by AB is the perpendicular, P square is equal to AB square by AB square is equal to 1 plus BC is the base, AB is the perpendicular. Now H square by P square, H square by P square, it is the ratio of cosec theta, cosec, and it is here the power is 2, so here cosec square theta is equal to 1 plus B square by P square, that is the ratio of cot theta. Here cosec square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta, and by rearranging this we can write cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1, and this is the formula. Now let us divide BC square. Now let us divide BC square in all these terms, that is AC square by BC square, AB square by BC square, AC square is the hypotenuse here, H square, BC is the base here, AB is the perpendicular here, BC is the base here, and this is 1. H square by B square It is the ratio of sec square. That is, sec square theta is equal to b square by b square. It is the ratio of tan square theta. Tan square theta plus 1. And by rearranging this, we can write sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. And this is the formula. So, here we have discussed three formula. They are, first is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Second is sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Third is cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Thank you.